Want to clear the cache in Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and visit hostinger.com. Click on Login and enter your email and password. Once logged in, go to the Website section. From the menu panel, select Websites List. Choose the website from your business web hosting list that you want to clear the cache for. Click on Dashboard to open the website management page. On the next page, locate the Clear Cache tab. Click on the Clear Cache button, and a confirmation prompt will appear. Click the button again to finalize the process. And that's it. Your website cache is now cleared. Want to optimize your website speed even further? Check out the best hosting plans from Hostinger using my affiliate link in the description for exclusive discounts. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.